So there are mainly two different kind of soil in the Barolo area that coming from different eras, geological eras. We have the first part that is that one, mostly. That is where we have the most structured Barolo, and is the older part of the area where the soils are arriving until 11 million years ago. Then we have and where we have a high presence of clay in the soil that makes this wine a little bit more powerful, perfect for the very, very long aging. They needed time to develop and to make the tannins smoother. And
what are the communities that are the commune?
If I have to think about the commune, I think about mostly Serralunga, Castiglione Falletto and Monforte. Then on the other side, we have Morra and Verduno mostly, where the soils are younger, and we have a particular kind of soil with lots of Marne di Sant'Agata fossili laminate. There is a particular formation where there is more limestone than clay in the soil, and so these make wines a little bit more floral, a little bit lighter, a little bit more, I don't want to say well balanced, but a little bit more elegant, thin than on the powerful side. This is the main difference. Then for sure you can find different part of the area with different kind of soil, but for example Verduno has 4 different formation in the soil, where mostly we have Marne di Sant'Agata laminate fossili in the higher part of the village, and a particular formation that is named Vena del Gesso in the lower part. So the Vena del Gesso, the chalk vein, has this particular presence of chalk in the soil that gives to the plants more nutrients. So the wines that coming from the Vena del Gesso area are a little bit more rounder than the wines that coming from the part with Marne di Sant'Agata fossili are more straight and on the less structured than below.
Do the rivers play a role in the world?
The river plays a very important role for the village of Verduno. Verduno that, as you can see, is the northeast of the appellation Barolo, and the river Tanaro flowing more or less here. So it moves a lot the air, and the function of Verduno in the system of the Barolo in the past was really to stop the cool breeze coming from the mountain and arriving from the river. So what that mean? That was like a trampoline for the cool breeze, and you know that when the cool breeze came up, then it came down milder. So it's really what happened in the past with Verduno. Then now, with the climate changing, it's very important to be in Verduno for us, because we can keep much more freshness than other areas of the area. So the Tanaro River, just near about us, playing a very important role for the wine that we want to make.
And how does the elevation change across?
There are different areas, but the Barolo area starting with more or less 250 meters on the sea level, and arriving until almost 500 meters between La Morra and Monforte, where they are the highest. For the village of Verduno, we are more or less at 350 meters on the Movigliero, a little bit lower in the Massara, so 300 to 380 meters for Verduno.